guys, and welcome. It's me, Jessica from Drumacell 37, coming today with a project that is so easy. My daughter can do it. I will be sharing with you how to create a coat rack using a piece of wood and some hardware from Nostalgic Warehouse. Now you guys can head over to Nostalgic Warehouse after this video and view their selection of hooks. They have a handful of options in a handful of finishes. Yeah, I think that they have every finish. No, I think when it comes to metal. But I chose this antique brass hook that kind of looks like an elephant because I like the size of it and the simplicity. They have some other ones that look way more vintage and very old school. Obviously with a modern twist, it's like reproduction, a vintage reproduction, but they have the options. That's all that matter. So yeah, before I get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys can be notified whenever I do post. For this project, you would need a piece of wood cut to size that's already primed and painted or stained my wood I already primed and painted for the sake of this video. A measuring tape, some hooks, I plan to use 5, and a drill. Oh, let me not forget, you'll need a Phillips or a flathead screwdriver, depending on what type of screws are needed for your hooks. Prior to making any holes in your piece of board, you are going to want to measure the board and divide it in half and find the center. Once you do that, you are going to want to go further than that and divide it again into, depending on how many hooks you plan on using, so that your spaces are even in between the hooks. For the sake of this video, I already marked my spots of where I want my hooks to go, and basically that's what you're going to do. You're going to mark your spot once you figure out where you want everything to be. And with your drill, you are going to drill a hole into the wood, go about halfway in. Take your hook and the screw and screw it in using your screwdriver or your drill. Hey guys, if you like this post and you want to see more tips, tricks, and home decor from yours truly, please like and subscribe.